Studying at Rehman College of Allied Health Sciences has a great learning experience for me. What I like the most is that our education is not limited to the classroom or books. We learn the concept in classroom and then apply this concept through the practical skill lab or clinical training. Being a student of RMI is a great advantage. We see the real work of hospital and see how doctor and staff works together, which gives us confidence. Our teachers are very supportive. They explain everything very clearly and guide during a practical skill lab or encourage students by asking a question. I also love the environment of Rehman College of Allied Health Sciences because the student of Rehman College of Allied Health Sciences works together and learns together. They have opportunity to participate in the academic or any other activity. For me, Rehman College of Allied Health Sciences is not only to get a degree, it is all about to develop a practical skills. I feel very proud as a student of Rehman College of Allied Health Sciences and the member of RMI community.